to take rest. So lay down on the under the mango tree. Understand? Remember one Leela Katha also. Then suddenly one mango fall down. Understand? Very fine Leela also. Then one mango falling down. Then one dog is there and barking. Ow, ow, ow. That dog is thinking maybe we disturb to him.
Yes.
Actually, the mango fall down. The one dog little bit far for sleeping. Then mango fall down on big mango. Fall down. Then dog become very angry. That the dog is thinking we disturb too.
Yes.
Actually, we did not. The mango automatically fall down. There are many dogs also coming here.
And
Then Kunjari Prabhu told, no, to sleep and chalo.
he ran away.
Sometimes the street dogs, they are very dangerous, you know.
Yeah.
Many dogs, they are running here and there. One dog barking and many dogs are coming. I think 10 or 12 or 10 dogs are coming here and making so much sound. And that time we are only two. Completely a lonely place. And when you go, you drove to Brasilia. And especially when you go, that is, two sides completely field. You know, they are cultivating what? Soya. Not you heard that?
So, Minas Gerais. Yes.
What is it called?
No, Minas Gerais, the name of the state? You mean that state before Goiás?
They were cultivating what?
Soya.
No, I just think they when we drive, when the car is going two sides, the field.
Okay.
Understand? And they also, what is it called? Brazil, so many also grains. What is it called?
Soya.
Soya grains.
Yeah, soya.
Sorry.
So going. And here, a road also is here, up down, and sometimes up, then going. Yeah. I remember. Yeah. Then coming one place, what is it called? Brasilia, after Brasilia going to one city, Goiânia. No? Goiânia. Then after Goiânia, then we going to, what is it called? Florianopolis. Where Krishna Jupani and her husband name? What is yours? That time I was staying to you. So, but that I know devotee we came. Then one devotee, ISKCON devotee. Actually, not he was ISKCON, but he likes ISKCON. And his name was Lakshman. Very so generous. So he told, and I don't know. Later I also gave his girlfriend name, I think, Gaurangi. So they told, okay, Maharaj, come in my house and stay. So we stay their house. Then he arranged program. And that day was Ekadashi. We traveled from Sampalo to Goiânia. Then Ekadashi, no prasadam. Only one or two mango we ate, which is falling down from
Perinópolis, too many mangoes.
Too
many mangoes in Perinópolis. Goiás?
Yeah, Brazil everywhere they produce so many. If you go or the Belém, so many mangoes, two sides, and guava. Have you been Belém? Belém gay?
Já foi lá?
No.
No? Completely what? North.
Yeah.
And very hot.
In the streets.
Yeah.
In the streets.
After cross the river, then you go, what is called British Guiana. This side. Belém and that side.
Goiânia.
Guiana. Okay, just I was doing then Then Lakshman, he arranged program. And but that time ISKCON, they are very strict. No Narayan Maharaj and his any followers and his disciples cannot attend the temple. Even the ISKCON devotee cannot meet with Narayan Maharaj disciple or any sannyasi. The Lakshman, he is very generous. He told, I am not belongs to ISKCON. I belong to ISKCON, not belong to ISKCON, because he did not receive any Diksha Mantra. Just he also arranged some program. And so he and his girlfriend, what is his name? Gaurangi. And so arranged some prasad, Ekadasi prasad. Understand? And he called the ISKCON devotees, okay. He did not tell, I am belongs to Narayan Maharaj. He told one sadhu has come from India. They are thinking this. So, about,
Very smart.
8 o'clock, 8 p.m. There 8 p.m. that time there will be sun not set, sun. So 8 to 9 o'clock program is there. So we coming in that place under the tree. He also arranged very nice, beautiful one cloth just put up and all we sitting there. Then start to kirtan. Understand it? And Sri Guru Chandra, then Kunjavahari Prabhu, he told, you give Hari Katha. So just I start to Hari Katha and close my eyes. Namong Vishnu Padaya Radhika Priyatmani Sri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Narayana Goswamiti Nam. Then after when I open my eyes, nobody there. 35 devotees came with that Thakurji. And nobody there. And when I open my eyes, after Kunjavahari Prabhu, why they left? No Thakurji, nobody have. But you also recited Pranam Mantra of Narayan Maharaj. Oh, he is the Dishabhanana. Then they left. Because their Guru strictly ordered. And understand, no one meet with Narayan Maharaj and his followers. Nothing. So what will do? That time we are only 4. Understand? Myself, Kunjavahari Prabhu, and
Lakshman
Lakshman
Gaurangi.
and Gaurangi. And very good. Chalo Mahaprabhu. This is my preaching.
Yes.
Yeah. Very hard to preach.
And now so many flowers, Gurudev.
And so many flowers.
This was which year, this story? This incident, which year took place?
2001, 2000,
I see.
2001 something.
Okay.
I preach. And travel in Brazil here and there, everywhere. And then we saying what to do, how to preach. Then Kunjavahari told, okay, we go to the yoga center. Those who are practice yoga, they are very little bit polite person,
Yeah.
And mostly those who practice yoga, they are not eating meat, fish. Mostly they are called vegetarian.
Yeah.
So we go there. So how to go? That time we told, okay. Then in the book, what is it called?
Yellow page.
Yellow book.
Yeah.
Yellow book, see, there the yoga center. Understand? What is his name? What is his name?
Yellow pages.
Which yoga? Prabodhananda name?
How to do
Pranamananda Yoga Center. So he called the owner of the yoga center. One sadhu has come from India. He will give yoga class. Okay, come. But we come to the yoga center. I am not giving the up, down, this, down. Lockdown, I am not doing this. Then as they came, they are very eager. One Indian sadhu has come, he teach us yoga. Then I start to speak about bhakti yoga. But they are very kind. They listen. But every day, I usually told you are doing the yoga and 700 types of yoga you are doing here. And they did it. Little bit explain also yoga. And then I explain about Bhakti yoga. Then slowly they have some faith. Some they took Diksha, Harinam, then slowly then preaching. Yeah. Understand? That time in the beginning not so easy to preach. Especially Brazil. Language is completely different. No one know English also. Only they know Brazil one country, they know only one language. Portuguese. Something fala Portuguese. No, they are good. Yeah. Okay. In the beginning, very difficult to preach also. And where will go? And here people, they don't know also etiquette. And sometimes I speak very boldly. Strong words also. If I not speak strong words, they will not listen. And sometimes they are coming, and here the culture is what? Half naked, half naked?
Yes.
And little small cloth here, little cloth here, and coming boyfriend, girlfriend, embracing, and their feet is towards me. Laying down, and there, I start to Harikatha. They are sleeping. Yeah.
I remember once you did Harikatha in Copacabana, in the beach, yeah, and one lady come with bikini.
Yes, I remember that. With swimming clothes.
Yes, very short in your Harikatha.
Ribol, chala.
I put one, so,
No problem. This is their culture, I will not mind.
Yes.
What to do? You have to become human being.
Not cats and dogs.
Have to become
A
human
gente
being.
tá no tema sono, tu pede desculpa pra mim, que não vai ficar adiante, e ontem quase eu peguei, mas ficou todo dia 2 horas, desde que saí daí, e o carro quebrou, eu tive que comprar de guia em piscina, e já aproveita, pede pra eu vir só o retorno e a ida até Santos e São Paulo, porque as finanças ficaram precárias por consequência.
She's saying she wants to apologize because yesterday in the class she felt so much sleepiness, but this was due because when she came driving from Itajaí, her car broke down on the way, and then she had to repair it, and so many hours driving. That's why she was feeling so tired yesterday. So she wants to apologize for almost,
She slept.
in the Harikata, like
When?
yesterday or almost slept. She was in.
I did not notice.
Ele nem não falou que não reparou que você estava lá pescando. And she wants you to bless.
You're lucky.
Só que ela não reparou. And she wants your blessings to come back to Itajaí and then go to Santos and São Paulo.
By car.
By car.
Yeah.
Okay, take rest. Before going to, before drive car, you have to
Antes de dirigir, tem que
prepare,
descansar.
take rest.
Antes de dirigir, pegar a estrada, tem que descansar direitinho.
Descansa, não. Só porque ali foi uma coisa elétrica, assim, ó, pra gente ir, pra conseguir lugar pra ficar, pra
Sim.
coisa acontecer, né?
Ok.
One who drives the car, prepare, take rest.
Quem dirige tem que sempre
Then you
descansar
can
bem
prepare
direito.
to drive the car. Otherwise, sleepiness will come. Then problem. Accident will come. No? So before driving the car, you have to sleep. Even before driving the car, you have to check your car, good condition or not.
Aí não fica dentro também.
Once is what? Many leelas. What is her in one devotee arrange? What is his name? In not in here. In nearby Sampalo, Achyuta Priya.
Arara.
And Arara.
Yes.
And she arranged program.
Ah, that day I heard. I was not
She
there.
drove the car.
Nossa, I heard.
Then coming in one field, then her car completely stopped. No, what is called, no petrol, and also her car broken. Two things has happened. Oh my God. And
And raining, no?
Rain also.
Você tava...
And heavy rain also.
At nighttime also.
Nighttime, yeah. Understand? The devotees are waiting for me. And but with in the middle of the in the field, you know, our car also suddenly stopped. In the mud. And also I don't know, she is saying some mechanical problem. And then she also saw no petrol also. And heavy rain, 2 hours heavy rain. So that day we cancelled that. You are there. Who are
I
there?
was not there.
Oh, then-
Yeah, the Sundari Didi, she was there from, I remember, from Rio. She told me.
Yeah, I remember. And her mind very disturbed. I mean, no disturb, no problem. I am not disturbed, I will disturb. Everything depends on Krishna. Today Krishna does not want. So we will be here, no problem. Then she left her car also, their place. And because about, and then we return back. Very difficult to turn back, walking and going to a high road. Then going, another devotee, he brought the car. We cannot pass this way, this go again, also this way. So many problems. We turn back about 12:30 midnight. We leave her place about 4:30.
Caramba! Oh,
4:30 we leave her house for going to program, you know, have to drive, I think 1.5 hour drive. But in the middle, her car also broke down. And also no petrol. I don't know, she did not
Check before.
check before.
Feel the car.
These things. So I'm saying these things.
Aqui desligou, foi da injeção eletrônica, tava andando e pá, apagou. Aí
and when she was coming, her car suddenly stopped working. The energy of the car, the battery.
You know, 4:30 we leave, 4 p.m. we leave. Again, no Harikatha, nothing. And return back midnight. Again, so.
No recatar, no prachada.
No, we return back, then we also midnight we took prasad also. Because she cooked already before. Understand? She is very active. She was crying the day. I not Yeah, okay. So, oh, good day. You. Okay, come upstairs.
You need to stay more days with them.
More milk. Yesterday you gave very nice. What is it called? Butter.
Like?
Yeah.
Yes, like with them.
Yeah, why not?
Why not?
Okay.